What if the retirement lifestyle that you've been picturing is built for a world that won't be there? For most of our lives, retirement was explained with a familiar map. We work, we save, and we retire, and travel a little if health allows, spend down your money, and then manage decline. But artificial intelligence, robots, longevity science, and the possibility of a lower cost abundance are starting to rewrite that map. For people over 55, this is not just a technology story. It could affect your health, your income, your independence, and even your sense of purpose, and how you think about the next 20, 30, or even 50 years. I'm Michael Nuschke. I spent more than 4 decades as a retirement and investment planning advisor, and now I write and speak as a retirement futurist at Retirement Singularity. I created this free field guide, Your Retirement Map is About to be Rewritten, to help you understand what's changing without the hype or the doom or the technical jargon. Inside, you'll find the old map versus the new map, the health bridge, the AI advantage, the messy transition to a possible abundance, and my recipe framework for future readiness. Enter your first name and email below, and I'll send you the free guide, plus plain English updates to help you stay informed, useful, connected, and future ready.